Next, we are going to find solution of two inequalities. Two inequalities are given. We have to find the common solution of these two inequalities. So here, first we will solve this inequality, then we will solve this inequality, then we will find the common solution. So, for finding the region of this inequality, first we will draw the line x plus y equal to 4, equation number 1. Then we will draw the line 2x plus y equal to 6. We will give equation number 2. First we will draw the line. This line also we will draw. Then we will shade region of this inequality. Then we will shade region of this inequality. Then we will find the common shaded region. That is the common solution of these two inequalities. So for drawing this line, we require 2 points of this line. For finding the 2 points of these lines, putting x equal to 0, you will get y-intercept of this line, y equal to 4. Putting y equal to 0, you will get x-intercept of this line. Putting y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Next, we will find 2 points of this line. Putting x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 6. Putting y equal to 0, x equal to 6 by 2, 3. So, we will join these 2 points and we will get this line. After getting this line, we have to shade this region. For that, we have to find whether this is origin side or non-origin side. For that, we will substitute origin. Origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. We will substitute 0, 0 in this given inequality. Inequality is x plus y less than or equal to 4. Substituting x equal to 0, substituting y equal to 0. Now we have to check we got the correct statement or not. 0 plus 0, 0 less than or equal to 4. 0 less than 4 is a correct statement. So this is, we have to shade on the side of 0. That is called origin side. We have to shade origin side. Similarly, substituting the origin in this inequality. 0, 0 substituting 2x plus y less than or equal to 6. Instead of 2x, 2 into 0. Y 0 less than or equal to 6. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 6. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 6. 0 less than 6 is a correct statement. So we have to shade 0 side, that is origin side. So this inequality also coming origin side. Now we will draw the graph. We will plot these 2 points. We will join the points and get the line x plus y equal to 4. X-axis, y-axis, origin, up to 4, here up to 6. Y-axis up to 6 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 3. X-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. For drawing this line, we are finding the point 0, 4. 0, 4. Next is 4, 0. 4, 0. Joining these two lines, you will get x plus y equal to 4. You got the line x plus y equal to 4. Either you write the name of the line or you write equation number 1. Next is 0, 6. We are going to draw this line. 2 points of the line we will plot and we will join the points. Join the 2 points. First point is 0, 6. 0, 6. Next point is 3, 0. 3, 0. Okay. We will join the points and we will get the second line. Equation number 2. Or name of the line is 2x plus y equal to 6. So we have drawn these two lines. Now we have to shade this inequality x plus y less than or equal to 4. This line we have drawn x plus y equal to 4. We have to shade the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 4. For shading this, we have already written here origin side. So equation number 1, origin is here. So shaded portion is downward portion. This portion we have to shade. Next is equation number 2. Equation number 2, and inequality is this one. We have to shade origin side of this inequality. Solution of this inequality is towards origin side. Second line for shading the inequality, origin side is here. So this part is coming. This is second line. This part is coming. So we have to show the common shade region. If this shade region and this one both will intersect at which region? Here downward portion, here also downward portion. So the common region will be this is common region of common solution of these two inequalities. Okay, solution of inequality is this shaded region. Now let us solve these two inequations. Let us find out solution of these two inequations. For that we will draw both the lines. We will shade both the region and we will find the common feasible region, common solution. First we will draw the line x plus y equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Then we will shade x plus y less than or equal to 4. Then we will shade this part and find the common shaded region. So here finding 2 points of this line 0, 4, 4, 0, 0, 4, 6, 0. We are going to plot these 2 points and we are going to draw this line 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, 4, 0, 4, 4, 0, 4, 0. Joining these 2 points, you will get the first line. X plus y equal to 4. Next is 0, 4, 6, 0. 0, 4, 6, 0. Second line 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Now substitute origin in first line. 0 plus 0 less than 4. 0 less than 4 is a correct statement. So this is origin side. Second line 0 plus 0 less than 12 is a correct statement. So this is also origin side. So So the first inequality is origin side, second one also is origin side. So this is the first line, origin side means downward portion. Second line is this one, this is also origin side. So the common solution will be, common shaded portion will be from here all downward portion. So this shaded portion is solution of these two inequalities. All points will satisfy both the inequalities. In all the points of this shaded region, x plus 5 less than or equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 12. But in linear programming problem, we will always given x and y greater than or equal to 0. So in that case, the solution will be, here the boundaries will be there. Up to here only we have to shade, if this is given in question. In LPP, our all questions are like this, x and y greater than or equal to 0. Then we have not shade on second, third, fourth quadrant, only first quadrant we have to shade. But in this question it is not given greater than or equal to 0, therefore we have shaded. But this type of questions will not come for us. Solve the inequalities. That is, 4 inequalities are given. We have to find the common region of all these inequalities. 4 means here, this means x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 means our answer will be only on first quadrant. X is positive, y is positive. So only our answer will be in first quadrant. No need of shading the other quadrants. So as usual, we will draw this line, 4x plus 3y equal to 36, equation number 1. Then we will shade this region. We will draw this line, x plus 4y equal to 20. Then we will shade this region. Then we will find the common shaded region. That is the solution of these two inequalities. So for finding 2 points of this line, substituting x equal to 0, y equal to 36 upon 3. Putting y equal to 0, x equal to 36 upon 4. Joining these 2 points, you will get this line. Once you got the line, you have to shade this region. For shading the region, we will substitute origin. Origin is 0, 0. Once you substitute 0, 0 in given inequality, if you are getting a correct statement, we will shade origin side. If you are getting a wrong statement, we will shade non-origin side. So substituting 0, 0 in our inequality, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 36. 0 less than 36 is a correct statement. So we will shade origin side. Secondly, we will draw this line. For drawing the line, we required 2 points of this line. For that, putting x equal to 0, you will get y-intercept of the line. X equal to 0 means y equal to 20 upon 4. Putting y equal to 0, x equal to 20. Joining these 2 points, you will get this line. For shading this region, you have to substitute origin. Substituting 0, 0 in this equation, if you are getting a wrong statement, we will shade non-origin side. So substituting 0 plus 0 less than 20. 0 less than equal to 20. Out of that, 0 less than 20 is a correct statement. So we will shade origin side. Now we are going to plot the points. There is no negative values, so no need of more extension. Only positive values are there. We require only these two lines. And shaded portion only will be in this first quadrant because already given x and y are positive. In our LPP, always shaded portion will be in first quadrant only. Zero, 12, 0, 5. 12 is a bigger number. I am taking scale of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, scale, y-axis, 1 unit I took as 1 centimeter I took as 2 unit. 1 centimeter, 2 unit. Now x-axis. Because 20 is bigger number. Here also scale is 1 centimeter, 2 unit. X-axis 1 centimeter, 2 units. For namesake, we have to mention the scale. Now plotting the points 0, 12, 9, 0. For drawing this line 0, 12, 0, 12, 9, 0. 8, 10. In between 9. Joining these 2 points, you will get this line. Immediately give equation number 1 or name of the line 4x plus 3y equal to 36. For drawing second line 0, 5, 20, 0. 0, 5. 4, 6 in between 5 will come. 20, 0. 20, 0. Joining these 2 points, you will get equation number 2. Immediately give equation number 2 or name of the line x plus 4y equal to 20. So equation number 1 is this line. Equation number 1 is origin side. So equation number 1, origin is here. So origin side is downward portion. Origin side. Equation number 2 is this line. That also origin side. Equation number 2, origin is here, so downward portion. Now, what is the common region of both the shaded portion? Here, first one shaded portion is downward portion. Second one shaded portion is downward portion. The common region is coming here. But given x and y are positive, so no need of shading beyond this line. Only shade up to this one. Up to x-axis only you shade. So here this one downward portion, this one downward portion. X and y are positive. So this is the boundary. You have to shade this much only. This is the common solution of the given inequalities. common solution of given inequalities. Since it is given x and y are positive, we have to shade only first quadrant. Okay, if you solve LPP for minimize or maximize, your answer will be in one of the vertices, because the solution of these two inequalities are all points of this common quadrilateral. All points of quadrilateral, including the boundaries, are the solution of these two inequalities. So here our answer will be in one of the vertices. Find the feasible region of three x plus 3y less than or equal to 39, 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 50, 2x plus 6y less than or equal to 60, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Feasible region means common region. So we have to find here common region of three inequalities. Here also given x and y are positive. So we have to shade only first quadrant. For drawing this line, 3x plus 3y equal to 39, giving equation number 1, we required 2 points of this line, putting x equal to 0, y equal to 39 divided by 3. Putting y equal to 0, x equal to 39 divided by 3. Substituting origin in this inequality, 0 plus 0 less than 39 is a correct statement. So we have to shade origin side. Shade origin side. So first line we will draw by joining these 2 points, and we will shade the origin side. Similarly, second line. 5x plus 2y equal to 50, equation number 2. 2 points of this line. Substituting origin in this inequality, 0 plus 0 less than 50, correct statement. So here also origin side. Third line, 2 points of the line, putting x equal to 0, 2 points. Substituting origin, 0 plus 0 less than 60, correct. So this also origin side. We have to plot these 2 points, draw the line. Here all points are positive, so we required only these 2 lines. And since x and y are positive, we will shade this region only. 0, 13, y-axis 13, 0, 25, y-axis 25, 0, 10, y-axis 10. Maximum point is 25. So in y-axis we require up to 25. So I am taking a bigger scale, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I took 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit. X-axis 13, 10, 30. Bigger number is 30. So here up to 30 we required. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here also, this is x-axis, y-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. We are going to draw the line first. For drawing this line, we are plotting these 2 points and joining these 2 points. 0, 13. 0, 13 point is not there. So 5, 10, 15. 10, 15 in between 13 will come. Next point is 13, 0. 5, 10, 15 in between anywhere 13. Joining these 2 points, you will get this equation, this line. Immediately what we have to do? Equation number 1 or name of the equation. Now we will draw second line. Here this is origin side. This line is 3x plus 3y equal to 39. This inequality is this one. Solution of inequality is this one. Solution of inequality is origin side. So origin is here. We have to shade this side. Only shade or keep in your mind which region is coming. Final feasible region only you shade. Going to second line. For drawing this line, we required these 2 points. Plot these 2 points. 0, 25. 0, 25. 10, 0. 10, 0. Join these 2 points, you will get this line. Immediately give you the name, equation number 2. Equation number 2, this inequality shaded region was origin side. So equation number 2, shaded region is origin side, solution is origin side. So this is the line, so inequality is origin side. Shade slightly. Now third equation, 2x plus 6y equal to 60. The points are 0, 10, 30, 0. 0, 10, 30, 0. Joining these 2 points, you will get 2x plus 6y equal to 60. Immediately give equation number 3. This inequality, this is also origin side. We have to shade origin side of equation number 3. So origin side we are shading. Show slightly the shading. Now see the which one is coming common shaded portion. Equation number 1 downward, equation number 2 downward, equation number 3 downward. What will be the common shaded region? That only you shade clearly. So the common shaded portion will be this region, because here this entire region is coming, downward portion entire region is coming, but it is given x and y are positive. So this x-axis, y-axis, this is the boundary. Only first quadrant is our solution. So solution of 3 inequalities is this shaded region. We can give the name O, A, B, C, D. O, A, B, C, D. O, A, B, C, D. This pentagon is our solution. Now when we solve LPP, our answer will be in one of the vertices. Okay. Now in this question, it was only to find the feasible region of 3 inequalities. Feasible region of this inequality is this entire pentagon, including the borders.